Okay, I got my Jason Friday the 13th cap on, so I'm gonna slash some prices, okay? Maybe with an axe or a chainsaw. But okay, listen, this is the real deal. I just practiced this a few times before I made the video. I'm trying to save you 50% to 60% off the monthly membership that it takes to join Nowsite. And it's dramatic, okay? Right now, as I make this video, it is working. So I'm going to shrink my face. I'm going to go through the process, show you exactly what to do. And if you're extremely interested in getting the Nowsite software, this is pretty darn cool, okay? 50 to 60% off. It's quite dramatic. And let me just show you what I mean. Okay. Okay, right in the middle of my screen where it says click this. This is my, I guess you call it an affiliate link for Nowsite. You've got to click this. Now, you can't click it on your screen up here. It's below this video. So below, look for this right here. You're going to click it, and then watch this. It's going to go to this exact page right here. Okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to hit Get Started. So let me go back and show you again. Okay, see right here on the top. That's what you clicked. Go to the top right and see where it says Get Started. Click Get Started. And this is exciting. Watch this. Okay, this is where people get tripped up on monthly or annual. And just look in the middle. See right here where my mouse is circling? Either you want to do 40 a month, which is limited, or you want to do unlimited. Now, I hope you do unlimited because you're going to have 2.2 billion people to get leads from. Okay, that is the main reason, in my opinion, you're going to want to do this if you're in LiveGood. You need solid, badass leads, clicks, real people. This is a whole other video. I'm just trying to save you a crap ton of money on this deal right now. So repeat, see here in the middle? If you slide it to the left, it is monthly. Okay, $99 a month. If you slide it to the right, it's more. What, right? Hold on. Okay, it's not taken. Hold on just a sec. Okay, right there. Okay, if you do it annual, okay, and it depends how much money you got. Let's just slide it to the left for monthly. It's 99 bucks a month. Okay, now watch this. See at the bottom where it says Get Unlimited? Click it. Now, do you see where it says promo code? See, this is 99 a month. Watch this. Put in promo code 49. Hit apply. Look what happens. 49 frickin' bucks a month. That is pretty badass, isn't it? So, yeah, you're only paying 49 bucks a month, and I think that's for the next year. I mean, that is so cool. So, see right here, it includes early access to instant AI websites in May and unlimited GPT-4 access at no additional cost. This is insane. I don't have the time on this video to go in what this GPT-4 is. It's state of the art. It's badass. Right now, you're going to have auto-responding. This will obviously make websites. It'll text. It will do all this stuff. But most importantly, if you do the unlimited, it's 2.2 billion people on this planet where you can get their email addresses, LinkedIn, Facebook, cell phone, Messenger. And what you're going to do is use this properly and only get people that want to participate in an MLM, direct marketing. They want to make money online, or they might have heard of LiveGood already and they just want to buy wholesale prices, okay? So repeat, let me show you this again. Under this video, I've got this link, okay? After you click it, you're going to go ahead, and when you get to this page, let me hit the back button and see if it works. Okay, there we go. You're going to get to this page. The top right, hit Get Started. What is that? Kind of a purple rectangle. Okay, click it. And if it's up to you, you got 2 savings, and I'll go through it one more time. It just takes a minute. I'm uploading, downloading. I'm doing all this fancy stuff right now, so sorry it takes a little while. Okay, now look in the middle. If you want to go monthly, click it to the left. Go down to Get Unlimited, and you're going to put in, and write this down, 49. Promo code, now hit apply. So instead of 99 a month, you're only paying 49. Look at that. Okay, now I got another code for you if you want to save even more money. Okay, I hit the back button. Okay, we're here again. You're going to hit Get Started. Okay. Now, if you want to pay it off for the year, I got another code for you that's going to save you 60% instead of just 50. Okay, see where it's already to the right where it says annual? Go down to unlimited, go right here and put in promo code 490. Hit apply. And look at that. Only $490 for the whole entire year. Now, I know that's a lot of money, but if you're going to use this like crazy like me, you can save over 500. Well, the savings is 494 frickin' dollars. So, man, I'm excited for you guys. I'm just a big fan of LiveGood, and I really believe in this AI software. To be honest, I can't wait for results on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. I love YouTube. If you're watching my YouTube channel right now, I love YouTube. It's therapeutic for me, and I love to sit here and talk with you guys. I feel like I know you. You're almost family. This code is dramatic. Just remember, write this down. If you want to join this company, which is called Nowsite, when you go to pay monthly, code 49, 50% off. And if you want to join annually and get even more savings, put in code 490. The instructions to this will be under the video. I'm just excited. If you really do want to participate, please just hurry and do it before they take away this promo code. That's quite substantial savings. That's really awesome. So thank you, Nowsite. I know they don't have to do this, and when they do something to help out people like myself or Downline or anybody in the LiveGood family, that's awesome. So from me to you, Nowsite, I know you guys are artificial intelligence. Thank you. I think the computer is probably no problem, kiddo. That's a cool hat. So, okay, thanks for watching. I'll hurry and upload this so you guys can look into this opportunity. Code 49 and code 490. Okay, all the information is below this video. Thanks, guys.